Hey guys, how's it going? It's Chantel here, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Amazon Video Shorts. I'm sure you've heard the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So just imagine what a video is worth on Amazon. Sometimes it can be pretty hard to portray the features and benefits of our products just through the images, but given the chance to have those videos on there is huge for conversions. So where do video shorts show up? They're not actually at the top of the listing, but they're a little bit further down, more in the bottom of the page. This could be kind of like an infomercial type video, just something really speaking to the brand and the product, showing the product in action, and whatnot. There's a lot of different things that you can do. You can put this on all your eligible ASINs for videos. You only cannot put it on a competitor's listing. So sorry about that, guys. There's a lot of, different things you could do with comparison videos or do-it-yourself videos, depending what your product is. And that can just, be a lot of fun for you to kind of build your brand. So this can just really enhance your product listing, since images, as we talked about, can sometimes be hard to, portray your product. You just need to make sure that you're following the given guidelines, and then Amazon will hopefully submit your short video. If you guys have any questions, just let us know, and we'll hope to talk to you soon. All right, take care. Bye.